Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
Alright guys, so it's the video photo shoot day today. Photo shoot today, so I'm gonna do the first shoot. You know, we have some garments here, and I'm here with a beer, the photo and the videographer is here. You know, we're here in downtown Toronto. So we're here in downtown Toronto. So I got two for the first shoot. Photo shoot I was gonna do here. So see what I want. You know, so we're heading up to the restaurant where we can go get change. Hello. In Toronto, downtown. In downtown, in Toronto. Listen, it's like since I've been here, I'm always downtown. Never uptown.
Hi, Shivani.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, I got this man. Sorry.
From Jamaica. Okay. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Oh wow.
Alright guys, so literally got my first wear on for the photo shoot. This is the first shoot, you know, first wear for the shoot so far. Where the Rogers Center is as well too. So tell me what you think. You can't see anything fully because I have to hold the camera. I'm assuming that's the way I go. So what you think? So we have many locations to go, you know. We're outside the Rogers Center, as you see in tower there, and we're downtown early, very early now. And trust me, when we're done, that's when you beat me. I'm not even lying. It's the first shot. So we're gonna move around, do our first scenes, different locations, and then come back, change into something different, and then back again, different place. So there's a lot of movements going to take place today.
You know, Prague. Prague, like the city.
Okay, Prague.
Yeah.
Was you on the boat yesterday? No? Oh, it looks like one.
My face is so common, bro. Everyone thinks that, you know, they met me somewhere, but this face is so common.
Yeah, you got the common look. He's got the common look, guys. So good back in the music, you know, to get back that feel. You know what I mean? To get back that feel. Trust me. Right, Movie Michelle? We're back where we left off. Bigger and better than before. Them said the third highest tower right now. It was number one till Dubai does come lick it away.
All the fly करेंगे. Copy कर दिया था क्या? Ready, brother?
Yeah, man. Ready?
Bro, you didn't talk about my shirt today. Very nice. So we focus on getting some shots around the CN Tower first.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go right to the bottom of the CN Tower. We get a few shots here. Then on the way back, we keep taking some here also.
Yeah.
Then
all right.
Find some nice spots. There's the perfect photograph and keep moving.
Yeah.
We don't want like too many in one place.
Yeah,
we want a good one in one place and then we go to the next. बोलिए बहुत तो भाई को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करके डिस्टर्ब कर रही है देखिए बोली भी नहीं हुई
Yes, guys, I'm saying this shirt, I really like this shirt. I wear this shirt once, and I think this was the time for me to take it out for this shoot. You know, at least it's making use. You know, so this was the use that I got it for. Right, mommy? My mom did get me this shirt. So right now, mommy, this shirt I got shot in this photo shoot. Yeah, shot in the photo shoot. It's hot. You know? Let me stop complaining about the heat, yeah? You know, Ibeer and again Prague. Sparta Prague.
This guy is so great. So great.
Guys, the quality is good, so I'm gonna leave the information. I'm gonna let them give you their information just in case if you guys interested in photo shoot, music video, you know, anything at all.
Please come to us.
Yes, so I'm gonna leave all the information and they're gonna give you the information so you can contact them, because trust me, the qualities are brilliant. 10 out of 10. You know, them ideas, they're very creative as well too. You know, very, very creative. They're very good at what they're doing. You know, got some beautiful shots. You know, and it's only the first scene, first shoot, first reel. You know, so imagine shot of shots.
They can stand in one spot and get people to move around. What they say?
So now they're looking for the spots, they know the spots. Look at those trains over there.
Yeah, we're going there.
Okay. This is aquarium. I need to come here as well to the Ripley Aquarium of Canada. I need to go inside to see what India is like. That's definitely on my list as well too. You know? Definitely. Yeah, but these guys, they know what they're doing.
I'm trying to put it right. It doesn't work that way. I just put it in right.
These are some classic trains. Abir, how long you guys been working together?
I met him a few years ago.
Yeah.
He came to study here,
Okay.
and then he started doing his cinematography.
Yeah.
I've been here for 15 years, and I came and I started working.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's been good 14, 15 years now.
So this is what you've been studying? Photographing?
No, I studied masters in, I did my masters in IT.
He was a teacher.
And I was also a professor, back in Bombay.
Okay, you're a professor.
Alright,
Professor Abir.
we use this train,
Alright.
and we do a couple of shots here
Yeah.
to show that you're an engine.
Yeah.
And you're gonna move fast and forward,
Yeah.
and you're gonna carry good music, good people with you, and go places.
And go
alright?
places. That's the train. Fast train.
Yeah.
We can go for a few minutes and we can do that stuff.
यहीं पे बिठा देंगे।
Yeah, it can be quick and fast.
Nobody can stop, no?
This is the long time trains, the Canadian Pacific. That one is Canadian National Rail. I don't know what that one names, but this one is the Canadian National Rail. This is the Toronto, Hamilton and Buffalo
Hi, Bora. उस पे
steam.
on that platform.
ये भी ठीक है। You know, Tom.
So, what type of photo shoots you do? Wedding? You do all that stuff as well too? Wedding, reception?
So I actually have a digital marketing company
Okay.
here, London, UK,
Okay.
Mumbai, back
Yeah.
home,
Yeah.
and we also been to Jamaica, to Treasure Beach and
Yeah.
Negril, to shoot with Studio South Coast.
Yeah.
So yeah, we travel the world for work. We do everything from graphics, branding, photography, video, social media, web development, AI, you name it, printing,
Everything.
consulting, everything.
Everything, guys, trust me. And even the back to school flyer that you see, they're the one that done it as well too. I'm telling you, man, A is off this planet. The work that they do, they're off this planet. The quality, like, it literally amazes me. I'm excited, and it's just taking photo. I'm just seeing that the reflex after. I'm like, wow, Trust me, this universe full of so much talented people. Prague, trust me, seeing there, it is a great team, guys. So if you're interested in anything, So how they can reach you as well to Abir?
How they can reach us?
Yeah.
Instagram, Harbir's Inc. HARBIRZINC. Everywhere.
Everywhere. The ink. And trust me, you're getting that ink quality properly.
Thank you, my brother.
We're not talking about no artificial ink, you're getting the genuine quality. Money's worth. It's the money you spend, you can't worry about what you spend because you know what you're getting. So Studio South Course, pick up on yourself, one Satnam. Wiz is running late. You need to check your WhatsApp group and see if Wiz tried to contact us, because I don't got my phone. Just finished downtown Toronto, so now we're going to head to the studio in Scarborough. That's what they pronounce it, Scarborough?
Scarborough.
Yeah, Scarborough. Here to do the next shoot. So we finished with downtown Toronto, and it was great. So we're going to head on to Scarborough now to do some more studio scene shots and road shots. So it was great.
If I eat Kool-Aid Rouge every day and change like one topping each time, how long would it take to taste everything? Centuries.
We just did a couple shoot while I was in the studio. We'll do a couple of boot shots in the boots and everything. So we're here in Scarborough outside the studio. So we'll show you what going on in the studio. Some mixing going on by Wiz. So we'll show you what going on in the studio. We have Wiz and Charles in the studio. We have Wiz once more, the wizard of music, and we have the baddest bass line himself. Cheers. And see the last time we forgot to show them the award as well. The tree was so far away from me. Guys, I will show you, say, I'm around legends, so.
Some of them.
Yeah, some of them. And this is brushing off on me. Record breaker, you know. So you know that thing is like a Usain Bolt thing, breaking record. Over here you have the junior as well too. You know. So these things are rubbing off. I'm learning from the best. You know, that's the only way you can learn the best, right? You learn from the best. You know, Wizard of Music. You used to watch a little cartoon, the Wizard of Arts.
Yeah.
And yeah, the Wizard of Music. And them say the baddest bass line. Why? But miss those days. So actually let me see a little part of it at the event. You know, real bassy. You know, and we got some eyes that recognize you guys, you know. So to show you, say, yo, I'm new to this. And I'm not a legend to that long time.
Right.
You know, so guys, so we just do some photo shoot inside here. And you know, so I'm glad to learn from the best. You know, and we have Abby here as well too. Top man and the work that he does as well. So guys, we can't go wrong. You know, it works. You know, so all of this rubbing off is like Christmas present every day, right? Gift like this, you cannot show it away. You have to just accept it and just work with it. You know, classical way. You know, Wiz. You know. So what the next name them know you as?
Tower.
Tower. Okay. Tower. Why them call it Tower? Tall. So but me taller than you. So them
taller than me.
So them call me Twin Tower.
Twin Tower.
Okay, so him a Tower and I'm Twin Tower. You know I have Wiz over there. It makes sense. You know, because I never know that tall, you know, because he's tall. I'm realize that me tall and I'm like, no man, something is wrong. Now look. Them said the shoulder you go for.
Yeah.
Jeez, I'm crying. So why you not shrink?
We shrink, yeah man. You
Oh,
shrink.
say the tall and this.
Taller, yeah man.
Okay, so me a baby twin tower then. A baby twin tower, yes guys. So we are cool off the next scene out here with while we are going to put in the magic as well, you know.
Yeah, no
And this
words.
man, all of these things on your voice. All of these stuffs on your voice. Like, jeez, the quality. Them say music, man, you know. Music is life, the gospel, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, it's the gospel. So any message you have to the youth and what they want to do the music?
Continue what you do and never stop. Just push through with your heart and soul. Just do what you're doing and do it well.
Yes.
Hard work bring enough
Yes.
accolades.
Of course. And we was telling me something the other day when we were starting the music, we were starting to rehearse. I said 8 hours a day.
Yeah,
Right?
I know.
For 5 days a week.
Yeah.
You know, and that is like it's the love. Cause it wasn't something you're getting paid for. You know, so anything you do,
Dedication.
yes, anything you do beside, you know, you have to go make the hustle. But 8 hours a day different from a job that you do, that's dedication. You know?
But the music is the job.
It is the job.
Yeah.
It's the unseen.
It's the heartbeat.
Yes, it's the unseen of the focus that.
somebody have to do the wood shedding and the working.
Yeah,
right, you know,
yeah,
make it work,
yeah.
you know,
And
build
that-
the foundation. Yeah.
And that's the dedication, man, you know, 8 hours a day, you know, and as we say, you tell me a thing, say, yo, no matter what, at least find the time to put in at least an hour
Yeah,
every
find
day,
some time to put something in.
you know,
You know.
at least an hour, because you put in 8, so if you can say, find at least an hour, half an hour, the least,
Yeah.
you know, but when you put 8, more put all more then, because trust me, if you want me see it make you in life, the hour that you win, it takes a lot.
Put in 12.
12. That will work. Alright, my brother, I'll leave it to go and mix.
Yeah.
While we're outside, I go and put in some
Yeah.
photo shoot to get the things done.
Alright.
Right? Alright, guys, well. See me wearing a mask. I don't know if you hear about it. I told my viewers, my viewers them from Canada know what I go on. You know. And for who don't know, who's watching, there's a big wildfire here in Canada, you know, and it's spread literally, you know, even to America also. And it casts the overcast of the sky and make the breathing oxygen difficult for a lot of people because of the acid they said in the air, you know. So it's a lot been happening. A lot, literally. If I saw the sky yesterday, like, you couldn't believe. But today it's clearing up, you know. But like some place, like downtown Toronto, them say it's really high risk, you know, to be outside, to inhale all of this, you know. The sun is trying to peep out, but the overcast of the cloud, but now the sun is literally pushing out, but the overcast of the cloud, and everyone have to be wearing masks, you know, once you're outside. It's not good, you know. So because the country's been so hot as well too, and then where the fire is, you know, it's a proper big fire. It's all over the news. The sky was red. So even when time you step out, you can smell it, you know. Without the mask, you can smell that the air is not, the oxygen is not clear. It's not clear at all. So even with this over my face right now, difficult to see me breathing with mask, you know. So it's not really good to be outside right now. It's not at all. Not at all, you know. So a good thing to bring some yaya products. So as I go inside, I'm trying for the yaya products, the blood purifier, the noonie detox, and all of that, you know. But it was really scary yesterday. If you saw how the place was, like, the place exactly looked like winter, you know. You know, like when it's grey and dark, and some part of the sky red. Like, it was mad. And as you can see, there's not many people out right now. It's not many at all. So and yes guys, the photo shoot went well yesterday, you know. Got some nice shots and everything, so it went well. Yeah, so I like it. I like the photos. I like what I've seen so far, and I like what I've seen so far. So the video shoot, we don't exactly set a date for that as yet, you know. So we're still looking on some females to see which one definitely will fit the character that the video man is looking for, you know. So he's looking for some types of female that will fit the character of his idea, or he want to get it done, you know. So that is the reason why. But we look at some already, so we have some more to take a look at before we made a decision, and that's the way we're gonna do it.
No yourself. I'm a
Oh, Jamaican. So everyone wearing a mask. That man is riding his cycle. He's got his mask on. Once you're outside, you better put on a mask. Hello. Hello. Finally, say hello.
Hi.
Yes, guys, one of our extended family. So she wearing a mask also.
Yeah.
Because everyone have to wear the mask.
Smoky.
Yeah, and it don't smell good at all.
No.
Like, what's going on?
But people not wearing their mask.
No?
No, look, you see anybody wearing mask?
Yeah, some. I see 1 and 2, but
Oh, why am I wearing my mask?
must
You can
be.
smell the smoke.
Yeah, they might think you're alien, right?
You going in there? Or you went
No,
already?
I was just looking.
You find anything?
No, just looking. Thank you. Alright guys, well, so I got a gift from Nadine. Nadine, thank you so much. Yeah, I thank Nadine so much for the gift. You know, guys, and we're here in the Trinity Mall. You know, I would thank her so much for this. She said, Akeynote, bodies that get treatment, so you deserve something. I would thank her so much. So, Tommy, wait, which way you are going? Oh, it's that way. So guys, but trust me, the place still smell away. You can't even take off the mask. You know, so you know the thing goes already. You have to stay healthy. A good thing, I bring some some Yaya products. So when I go now, I'm gonna drink some of that right away. But it not smell good. I don't like the smell, right? At the first it's ever happened in Canada. So, you know, this word very confusing to me. Please let me get lit down, you know, Nadine. Yeah, the word confusing. Yeah, the word so confusing, but not lying. Yeah, which was the gas station? That way, right? Nah, like, the place is confusing, bad. Eh? Ah, bless. Eh? Ah, big up.
I'm gonna take it down here and then I come back.
Okay. Let me see. Wait.
So you don't get lost.
No, which side? Oh, that's.
That way and then you go to the gas station.
And I hear some walk.
You come from the gas station side?
No, from this side.
Which side you come from?
This side.
Yeah, so you have to go that way and go that way.
No, cause it's the once I go there, I go straight through. Yeah.
Okay.
The gas station is that side. Cause the mall big, don't it?
But if you go that way?
If I go that way, I have to go right, yeah.
Yeah, the gas station is over there where the Shoppers is.
Yeah. So if you go right through here, you're gonna see it.
Through there?
Yeah. You can walk through there, but you can't drive.
Place over there too.
Yeah.
Marble slab of ice cream.
Oh, that marble slab, that's an ice cream place.
You know what?
But no, sir. But in here it's quite big still, man. I'm not lying. It's really quite big. Oh damn, Christmas list. You know, I call it Christmas list and see when he's coming back to Canada. Cause he's in
Where is he?
he's in Brazil. He's in Brazil. The slingshot. Oh yeah, the breeze feel kind of chilly though. See, you see the shoppers right there? You see? So I know the place more than you, Nadine. You know? Come to Canada, come know it more than you already. I know the place already, guys. But you know, I'm gonna do I look to a snack bar in here, so go to a snack bar before. You know, sometimes while I'm editing, I like to snack and them oat, you know, the oat bars, them, right? This time, yeah, same way. So, guys, I'm in Metro. But I'm not like it feel good when I take off the mask. Cause trust me, it's come like a COVID time. Like we're having COVID again, wearing that mask. So this is Metro. Where are this? Snack bar. Wait, is it this shelf? Nadine, we'll try this shelf. We'll try. You know them little snack bars them? Let me see. Don't move. Yeah. This is the one. I try this one, I'ma like it. The breakfast, the almond. This is the almond one. Yeah. So I tried this one, guys, and I really like it. So this one is all green. You know, it's gluten-free oats, sugar cane, sugar, raisin, honey, canola oil, soya protein, you know, almond butter. And so this one, and this also got quinoa sea salt. And cinnamon. You ever tried this before? Yeah, this one is good. Pick up.
Get to meet Akeynote.
Finally. And guys, so it's always good to meet our lovely subscribers, you know, our extended family. You know, so I'm saying, guys, I'm not doing a meet and greet, so I will do the individual link up once I got the time. I can do so because the schedule is kind of packed for this music thing and everything, guys. You know, so that's why. Yeah, I'm going that way. Right? The sun that. Guys, look at that sun, red. Wow. Nothing can see it from here. Wait. I eat that, yeah. That is red. What the hell? Let me use my phone. No, sir.
I can't take no picture with my phone.
No, sir. I want that direction to come. Look at that sun. Red. I first never see sun like that. But you know it's the. No, sir. Yo, look at the sun. Look at the sun. Imagine that. Oh my days. This sun is red. Lava. See there? You ever see sun look like this? Do you ever see a sun look like this? Never. A sun red. Come. Guys, look how the sun red. Never see a sun red like this before. Never see a sun red so yet. The sun is so red. Hey, that is extra red. But maybe it must be what's happening with the sky, right? This sun red. Cause guys, the sun is setting right now. So she is setting, and I don't know if she will come down. Maybe because through the overcast with the wildfire, you know, why that's so red. Only in foreign you can come to something like that. Only in foreign. See there? That's yeah. See that's how the sun look. Red.
Right? Look.
No, sir. That is crazy.
Use your phone and take it.
I just do a video with it. Yeah. Just. That's crazy. So you get in your bus right here? Get in your drive right here?
No, I'm going to that one.
Alright then.
Okay, you don't say. Nice meeting you.
Alright then.
No.
Take care.
Yes.
Alright, God bless you, yeah? Thank you so much. Alright, yeah.
Are you going back that way?
Yeah. Alright, bye. So guys, there's Nadine gone. So look at the sun. I can't believe that. That's crazy. That is so crazy. I literally never see a sunset already yet. Never in my life I see a sunset already. Never in my life I see a sunset already. Never. Something is wrong. Wow. Someone is. Here's another lady video in the sun as well too. The sun is red, right?
Yeah,
It's so red. Imagine.
I know. Look at
I never see nothing like that before.
yeah,
So red. When I see it, I'm like, what?
yeah.
Weird things is happening, right? Weird things is happening, guys. Weird things is happening. I never see a sun like that. Weird things is happening, guys. I never see anything like that. Imagine that. Never. This is what's happening in the foreign world, you know. Crazy things happen. And if I take off this mask, trust me, it's place smell weird. Weird. But I see people walking without masks, see me. And I could never be inhaling this. No man, that's crazy for me to be inhaling all of this. You know, yeah. You know, once I'm back, detox. I'm detox, me a detox, E-tax, A, B, C tax, you know, D, E, F, G tax. I'm doing all the tax, the X tax, W, Y, X tax, me I do all the tax that I can do, you know. So yeah, you better have all those tax for me already. You see me, the A, B, C and D tax, the E, F, G tax, what are the tax me I do? You see it there? So, alright, let's cross this road again. Tricky. So, if I look to my left, vehicle coming this way. Look to my right, the vehicle coming the opposite way. So, this is the tricky part. Sticky, tricky situation. Okay, me make it in a graduation. Alright guys, so blessed love. I want to thank Nadine, you know, extended family, thank you so much for this gift. Thank you so much. You know, God bless you all. Nothing but love and love alone. So, blessed love. Peace. Blessed love, God. Blessed love. Welcome. Hope you have a wonderful day. Anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. So, yes guys, so I am literally heading out to Woodstock. So guys, you know Woodstock? Well, most of you guys in Canada know Woodstock. So there's an event going on down there which is heading to with the producer. It's a festival. So let me tell you what's the name of it. Where is the poster? So okay, so Woodstock is it's a summer street fest. So I guess it's a street thing. Okay, that's nice. So it's a street thing, guys. Summer street fest. And performed by City Soul. City Soul band will be performing. So okay, so it's basically a street fest that I'm going in Woodstock, which is about 3-hour drive. About 3-hour drive going there. So let's see. They told me that's about 2.5 to 3. So if it's more, I will let you know. But I'm going blind. So anything once it's a street fest, it must be a good vibes. Because I know it's a street thing. Because I know it's summer. So everybody's gonna be out enjoying themselves. So I'm heading there. I'm not ready. So I'm waiting on Wiz. The wizard of music to come and pick me up, big top producer Wiz. So I'm waiting on him now to come and pick me up, and then we're gonna head out, so that is it. I'm ready and I'm waiting to head out. So blessed love, guys. I'll see you on the journey. Peace. Peace. Alright guys, so we just touched down in Woodstock. Woody Woodstock. As you can hear the music on the next side. We're just parking here behind the main road. So we're gonna go out in the front. So here's Wiz. He's just looking at park and find one and everything. General, bigger. Here you go, bigger. Police them is there. I don't know what's going on. I guess the light is on. Something happened. Nothing is happening. They're just exercising their siren with people catching what's going on. This is Wiz Equipment's keyboard. So I guess he's only playing with 2 today. 3. Playing 3 one time. No? 3. Playing 3 today, Wiz?
Yeah, 3 and sample. And sample.
3 bad boy. Trust me, this is like in the far side. It's like the countryside. We're out in the countryside, so it's kind of different down here as well too. Look at this police car, blinging, flinging, blinging up and thing, bling, 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 bling. Yeah, we are here with the Woodstock 911. We have the man of peace. Oh my brother.
How's it going?
I'm good, man. Good.
You want to check out the police car?
Yeah.
Report?
Yes,
I got the
please.
microphone and everything.
Yeah, I got the mic. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging out here. So, oh, you catch that. So my today's duty, I'm taking over from them so you guys can relax. I will patrol the city, right? I'm patrolling. 911 dispatch, can I help you? Where we going? Jeez. Oh, you sound the siren. Emergency. Wow. Emergency. So guys know I'm gonna sound the siren. I'm here with my partner.
This one.
This one.
Yeah.
Listen. We're coming. Then you stop it?
Yeah.
Oh, and this one. Stinger. Wow. See, it's awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah. It's a good. Wow. Guys, you know me already, you know, so that's what it feels to drive into the police vehicle, not to be taken away in the police vehicle. You know, it feels good to be driving in it, man, trust me.
The back is good.
Never been.
So, crazy experience down here, man. Woodstock. So, let me walk and see what's going on. Dang. So we're in Woodstock. We're here. Peace. Alright guys, so let me take a walk and see what's going on with this. Keep on saying, let me double check. Check out the streets of festival. You know, we got the burgers here and fries here. Oh, we got the burgers and fries here.
Hey?
Burgers, I'm vlogging.
No burgers and fries, unfortunately.
Oh.
We got like a braised pork sandwich, porchetta.
Okay.
Everything else we sold out of, so we're close to wrapping it up.
Okay. It's my first time coming to the street fest.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to reload for tomorrow, because tomorrow's busier, I think.
Okay, so tomorrow is a busier day.
Yeah.
Okay.
With,
so is this the best festival in Canada?
Best festival in Canada. You know what? If you're from Woodstock, it could be, because everyone's so friendly here.
Yeah.
It's just a great community, and if you're coming from out of town, you feel really welcome. We love it here. My family lived here for 5 years, and it's a blast, man.
I'm coming all the way from Jamaica, man.
Oh, happy Street Fest.
Yeah, big
Good to
up.
see ya.
Yeah, man, bless, man. Thank you. Big
Cheers,
up, man.
have a good night.
All right, cool, man. All right, man. All right, man. So we're gonna see what's happening. So I guess tomorrow them say will be the busier day than today. So I'm just walking to see what it's like. Woodstock. Woodstock.
I've never been.
It's kind of different, you know. It's like it's really on the other side, out of everything, you know. So you can tell it's on the far side. Here's a black man here. He's a
August 13th. What did you tell him?
Hold on. Oh, Wiz is there, cause me and him just came.
Oh, he's here now?
Yeah, he just came. He just came.
I'm gonna go find him just now.
Yeah, he's just right there. They're setting up just now.
They're just now setting up?
Yeah, just now. They're right there.
Okay. Michael's there as well?
Yeah. Cause the band just came, I guess.
Okay, cool.
I'll be back. I'm just walking. Yeah. So I'm just walking, having a look. So we'll see what we have here. It's quite, it's not so heavy, but it's okay. Okay. Woody Woodstock. Western. So, this is not downtown Toronto, you know. This is on the far side, Woodstock, where it's more like countryside because a lot of fields, you know. A lot of fields coming here, trust me. And when I reach here, like the community is very, very small. Population is not so much. I never check how many people is here, but it's very, very, very small. You know, very. And the people them are friendly. To be honest, they are. Wait, let me wipe my camera a bit. So we have Academy. Yeah, champions. I think that's dancing or ballet or something. So I guess today is not so a busy day for the festival. So they say tomorrow will be a busier day because tomorrow is the final day. So I guess tomorrow will be much busy than today. Not much. Not much at all. Say those people are sitting down dining, you know. Look at this dog, the moon dog. Dino's. Put the K, move the D, remove the D, and put the K. You got Keynotes.
You want some sunglasses? Would you like to see? Good choice.
So I guess we're approaching the end of it.
Just have a little bit of myself on the monitor. Just the singers. Because right now we can go all around our face. We don't really need everybody. We just need ourselves to be ourselves.
So I guess there's not much, you know, because that's where it ends and where I'm walking from. So it's not even too much of a long walk, you know, me walking from there to here. So I guess tomorrow to be more hectic. So I remember Caravana will be the biggest one. So that's yet to come, you know. And then there's another one, another festival. Is the festival or carnival? I don't know what is which in Scarborough that I'm going to attend to as well too. You know, so I'm going to visit that one as well too. and see what it's like, because I'm here, it's summer, so I need to get the experience of all these festival and carnival or whatsoever is taking place. So I need to get the experience of them. So listen, I'm gonna do a lot of stuff while I'm here, so you know what's going on. Let's do that.
They must have.
I'm heading back down to the band where Wisdom is setting up, and then now we're gonna catch them play a bit as well too. You know, we're gonna catch them play, you know, see what go on. So here it's like a ballet.
Sweeter than honey. All my game, return honey. Just give me my papa when I get home. Respect, just a little bit. R-E-S-P-C-T, find out what that means to me. R-E-S-P-C-T, take care of TCB. From the top, all right. To the right, we're gonna go step right, step back, step right, and then touch. Right? Now once you touch, you go to your left. Step left, step back, step left, and then touch. Right? Just touch. Now the same right foot, you're gonna step back, right, back, right, touch. The important part is the touch, right? Then you're gonna step left, touch right, step right, touch left, and then we're gonna go in a box, right? We're going counterclockwise. We're gonna lift up our leg, and that's one. That's it. You're gonna get it. I guarantee you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. My friend is gonna get it. Run it. Let's go. I'm gonna follow you. You ready, guys? 1, 2, to the right. You can't be that. It's a trick. You gotta be that. It's a trick. It's shocking. It's a trick. Feel like a matter. She's a moving like a matter. She's a moving like a shock. You gotta know that it's a trick. Boogie, boogie, boogie. And you can't hold that. It's a trick. Boogie, boogie, boogie. But you know it. Here, there, and everywhere. I got to move.
You gotta know that we're awesome, and you can't hold it. But you know that, I love it. Yeah, they're everywhere. I got to move. I'm going on a party ride. I got to move. And this music I just can't hide. Are you coming with me? Come, let me take you on a party ride.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.